Hello, in this video I will show you how to do stamping design and make it vanish. Keep watching. Recently I received a package from Born Pretty with a stamping system. So we have a nail scraper here, clear stamper, by the way I really like when it's clear because you can see through, another stamper and a stamping plate. This is BPL 102, and here we have this cool design that looks like a lion. So first you need to remove this blue part, and also I will be using Whimsical Light Blue by Luxio and the plate itself, clear nail scraper and clear stamper. I like this one more, and the nail polish for stamping. So this is Foggy Rain Color Glossy Top Coat by Tortiso. But first we need to create the nail itself. So I already did the prep and fit the form. Then I applied the hydrator and primer. This time I'm using them by Gelish. Acrylic system I'm using today is by NSI and the nude color is Rose Blush. After application, I slightly pinch the nail and then file it. Also, I always buff acrylic nails because it will be easier to apply color. I also finish the dry manicure and then it is time to apply the background. It will be Whimsical by Luxio, light blue color. So this stamping is thermal, meaning it changes its color depending on the temperature. So when it is cold, it is dark gray. When it's warm, it's light gray, meaning if we will be using any light background such as light blue, light pink, light yellow, the light gray color of the stamping polish will match with the background. I applied 2 coats of the color, cure each coat for 1 minute. Then I remove the sticky layer, and to get the picture when you stamp, to make it better, you need to also buff the surface, but you need to use a very light buffer. So the one I'm using, I think it's about 400, and it is important so you will not scratch the surface or remove the color. So we only need to buff it. And you don't need to buff the whole surface, only areas where you plan to place your design. So I haven't decided yet, that's why I'm buffing almost the whole surface. Make sure that the area where your design will be located is absolutely matte, because if some shiny spots will be in the middle, we might end up with a picture that will not be too crisp in that area. So also get rid of all the dust. You can use cleanse or dehydrator or sanitizer for it. And I decided to do a dead fish, scrap, roll, and stamp. So here we go. The first fish is right here, and I will add half of another fish, so it will look like they're, just somewhere swimming in the sea. And then I will seal it with a top coat. So you can see the fish that's on the top has already disappeared because it's closer to the skin, hence it's warmer. Cure top coat for 1 minute in LED, and here we go. After curing, the nail is warm, so we cannot see the fish yet, but as it gets colder, the design slowly appears and we can finally see it. So this is how it works. Let me show you some different examples. So when it's warm, we cannot really see them, but as it gets colder, we can see these different cool designs. So now I'm just putting them in the warm water and they disappear. Let me guys know, what do you think? I hope you enjoyed this simple trick and design. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new nail art tutorials just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye.